Let me give you an overview of exactly how a room looks like here. It's 2A6. Yeah. Is this key there? Yeah. Then after that, we go inside, turn on the lights. So we have these things here. I bought them a couple days ago. Yeah. It's been a week right now since when I'm shooting this video, so I've settled in a little bit. And here are the drinks and some water. I finally found the water that I can drink. This water is the only water I can drink. The other one is not. This is not sparkling water. It's not sparkling water. It's not a mineral water, so it's best. My bread, yeah, but I'm not using the toaster. Yeah, and I keep my dust things there, or I can keep them over here. On this one is the dustbin. And also we have an open place here. Yeah, I should have my spoons when I'm settling already with the things to cook. Maybe I will keep my spoons and my other stuff here. I just keep my soaps for now. And if you wanna eat here, you can just have to take over this chair and then sit and eat here at your table. Also we have a microwave here. The microwave quite well, and have some cupboards here. You can keep your stuff. Actually at the end we do have a fridge. Here it is. I bought some stuff, as you can see, just to survive the couple days and couple weeks actually, if it's possible. And what else here? I want to take you to the shower room first. So if you enter, there's a shower room. This is the light for turning it on, as you can see. So here we have a sink. Yeah, you can brush your teeth. My toothbrush just settled in. And this is a mirror, but also it is something that you can open, as you can see. Yeah, my other clothes, those ones there on my towel. And also we have a sitting washroom, which is not the one that is normal. You can see at the bottom. Please wash with paper. Yep. And then also, yeah, my soap. Just very simple. And then it's 24 hours hot water. This is my best part of all. Like I would spend so many times taking shower because it's very hot. Outside here it's very cold. So this is the bathroom actually. As you can see, it's very organized, small place. This is where I keep my shoes. And this is the warmer, but sincerely it doesn't really help much because it only warms itself, doesn't warm the room. Plan to buy another warmer, like the one that I can show you. And this is the bed. Okay, it's kind of shabby, but yeah, that's the bed. Just woke up, and then you can see at the bottom, at the moment there's an empty space. You can keep your stuff, or you can use this one here to keep your bags, just like me, what I did. And then yeah, and also you do have a place over there. You can keep your stuff. I decided to keep my headsets, of course. Anytime I could just check my watch, check my phone, or my headsets before I sleep, check some podcasts and stuff. And then also the bag is there, and also they have the pillowcase in case if I just actually wanted to use that. And here it's an open space. Also here we have a window. I'll show you this, but let me finish first here. So we do have this one here, which is actually having some things inside. I can show you right now. But there's this also, and then there's also this one here. Yeah, there are two of those. And then also here we have a place so you can just keep your charger. We have some sockets there. They're just like African sockets. That's the good news. So then what else I can show you is this chair. It's very convenient, like super convenient. As you can see, the chair is very good. I like the material itself. I like the material, the cushion itself. It's so nice, very comfortable for studies. And then also I have my gadgets over there. Okay, actually this is my key. I always keep it over here because it's my, oh my god, it's my everyday thing. Like these are my IDs. I have two IDs for the university, and that's for university, and the other one for the dormitory. I can use to walk around. Okay, and then here you have some 3 cupboards here. You see there, and then also there's another one. Then there is another one over there also. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. I do learn piano, so sometimes these are my gadgets. I leave them there. It's very safe. The room. Also have some of them there. Have some bottles and some perfumes. Decided to keep them there. And also, I think, yeah, the last part but not least, I want to take you through the window. Yeah, this is the window, guys, and this is the view that most of people have seen. I've showed them in Instagram, I think I did. And also, this I realized that my other friends over there do have a swimming pool. Oh my god! But we don't have a swimming pool downstairs. I think it's part of the gym, though. I don't know. I think so. So yeah, this is it, and this is the view. Though now currently my window is not fixed yet, so I'm gonna ask them to fix this window today because it can't close. That's the room tour for right now, and yeah, that's my room tour for now. I think that's all I have for today, and
yeah, almost the whole almost the whole video was about to get over, but I just wanted to give you a bit of overview of some of the gifts that I actually got when I arrived here. So here are some of the presents. I already posted them, but just in case if you didn't know, so I got these bags and they came with some free gifts inside too, and some instructions whereby they were saying if you're on a free internet how to do that, and also some free bags and food. And one of the things I actually did, I'd already tried the rice that is going to come out, that one there. I've already tried it. I'm not really a fan of it. I don't know, I was not used to the taste, but I'm glad I got some gifts, and I'm very grateful that I got these gifts. And yeah, that's all I think I have for right now. Until next time, make sure you subscribe and check other videos about London, and see you. Bye bye.